Yo, what's up everybody? This is Chakra Dinagara and I will show you how to edit a jumping man like a Hancock in a Hollywood film. And now, let's check this out. Okay, firstly, we're gonna be starting our Sony Vegas Pro 13 here, and in this time, I prefer to use Sony Vegas Pro 13 for editing my project, but you can choose of all those video editing software as you want, like this here. Yep, like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Movie Maker, Final Cut Pro, and many more. You can prefer it, but I prefer for Sony Vegas Pro 13. And now this is the raw project for our tutorial. So look at this. Yep. Yeah. And look. Zoom. This is fucking weird, you know. And yep, done. And first, put your raw video into the compositioning project like this. Okay. So you can also compositioning it first before we're gonna make this guy jump into the sky. But actually this actors is me. Yep. And after we compositioning it, look at this. Okay, and after we're done with it, so let's start with capture of our videos like this. See, like this, capture it. This, click snapshot. Okay, and then save it. Yep, now we have it like this, and this is only a picture that we capture for our jumping like this. Okay. This is fucking weird. Okay, and if we're done, we can masking it with masking tools. Click this, and okay, after we capture it, then click mask, the masking tool, and click here and just zoom to the object. Okay, up. Ah, shit. Then like this, do like this. Okay, we just masking for the man only. Yep, like this. But make sure you capture we just eliminate those pictures for like this, and bingo. Yep. And after this, click the position like this, and now look at that. Yeah. That's funny. Yeah. Then okay, but you guys should take an empty object video first like this, without an actor included, and you must be using some tripod for keeping the video stable like this. without an actor included. And now this is for we put of our picture into the motion and masking it to be looks like jumping. So like this, hop. And next, open the icon in here, just click and this is the animation position. We just like this, use your arrow. Shit, my English is sharp, yeah. Like this. Oh, like a Superman. Just like this. Up. Okay, enough. And click it. This. Double click. Okay. And after you double click, you set up again. The Superman is come back, dude. Okay, like this. And look at it. See it? Hey. Okay. After this, click on Video FX and click on Linear Blur. Okay, and choose this vertical extreme. Just drag it to the picture like this. Boom. Okay, you can also, okay, it seems like jumping, right? And you can also setting it like this. Oh, okay. Boom. Okay, now we're done of it like this. Look at that. Oh, but this is very long time. Okay, like this. We can set it like this. Up, hop. Nah. So look at that. Oh, okay. Look at. Oh. And now put your second videos like this. Okay, so second video that you after jumping, and I think like this, and we have a jump man. We have a jumper man, I mean. Oh, okay, just setting it. Okay, now boom. Okay, just for it for my tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye everyone.